I'm Dr. McGregor Lott. I'm an ophthalmologist working with the Satilla Regional Specialty Physicians. I'm originally from Waycross and graduated from Waycross High School. After graduation, I went to Yale University and then on to medical school and ophthalmology residency, and finally completed a fellowship in medical retina in Miami. The difference between an ophthalmologist and an optometrist is that an ophthalmologist has been to medical school and after studying all the systems of the body has chosen to specialize in one part of the body, in this case the eyes. An ophthalmologist will offer both medical and surgical options for patient care, whereas an optometrist typically focuses on the medical portion of things. Now, we do work very closely together, and for instance, an optometrist may identify a problem in a patient that needs surgical management and will refer that patient to an ophthalmologist for further treatment. And then after that has been taken care of, the ophthalmologist will send the patient back to the optometrist. Ophthalmologists will see anything from cataracts to glaucoma to diabetic problems with the eyes to eyes that aren't straight to the need for plastic surgery. It's quite a range of problems.
I actually do the first portion of the exam with the patient. We check their vision. If they need a refraction for glasses, we do that. Also, we just get a lot of information, pertinent information for Dr. Lott, so he can actually look at the chart, kind of know somewhat what's going to be taking place when he gets into the room, what's to be expected. We like for our patients to feel that they've gotten a full medical eye exam, and we do hear patients say a lot of time this is the most in-depth examination that we've ever had, and we like to hear that. We like to know that once they come in that they've gotten the examination that they were expecting.